Igama lami Jessica Khomo, General Manager of KZN Athletics. Sila namhlanje kwi-5 km 1 mile championship. Banjo KZN Athletics for ama-athletes ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siwaselectele ukuthi ayogijima ePE kuma-national championships. So sithokozile kakhulu i-turnout ibe yinhle. Ubheka ama-athletes ethu nje kwi-elite pool, uTaylor Kavanaugh usanda kuwina unationally kwi-5,000 ne-10,000 meters kuma-track and field ubekhona la, and uyena oyi-record holder iningizimu Afrika yonke kwi-5 km. So ufike wawina umjaho manje, and siyathemba mase yakuma-nationals ophinda aphinde awine futhi.
Hi, my name is Milan Teopato, and I'm based in Pretoria, training with Stephen Mugoka. First of all, I would like to thank the race organizers and the race here in KZN for hosting the 5K championships, and all the sponsors included. Not forgetting my manager from my club, Patana AC Mdu, and yeah, well, the race was very good. The route is perfect, and the weather is also good here tonight. This morning, we enjoyed the race. The boys did good also. We managed to run the qualifying time that the province asked from us, and yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Kavanaugh. This morning I took part in the KZN 5K Champs, and I won the race in a time of 15:20. So really happy, as that's a road PB for me in the 5K. So super chuffed with how my race went. I'm coming off the back of SA Champ Track Champs, which I ran in Stellenbosch last week. So it's been quite a busy few weeks of racing for me. So I just came into today's race just really hoping that the legs would feel good and I would manage to just take it easy. But I felt pretty good out there. I said to myself at the start, like, I'm just going to see how the body feels. If I felt a little bit tired today, I would just back it off a bit, but I felt pretty good, so I was very happy that the body responded well. And yeah, for the rest of the season, I've just completed the track season, so I'm going to be looking at doing the road season now. So in 2 weeks' time, I'll be competing in the ABSA Run Your City series in Cape Town, the Cape Town leg, so really looking forward to that. And then yeah, so for the rest of May, I'll also be at the Sanam Cape Town Marathon for the 10K there, so that's pretty much my May schedule. And yeah, for the rest of the year, it's quite a lot of 10K and 5K road running for me. I'm hoping to go to World 5K Champs later in August, September. So today was part of like the qualification period, so I had to run KZN Champs, and then we go to SA Champs and then World Champs. So yeah, really hoping I get selected for the team. But yeah, really happy with how the weather was today. The course was really nice and fast and flat, and yeah, really happy with the performance, and yeah, it was a great run today. Thank you.
So sithokoza kakhulu ukubona ingane ezincane iningi development, njengoba ubona abanye bagijima ngeenyawo kade sibathatha ngisithi sobanikeza namateku ukuze bakwazi ukuthi baqhubeke bagqugquzeke. So thina as uKwaZulu Natal Athletics, umsebenzi wethu ukuthi si-host lama events kanje ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sinikeze ingane ithuba, senze ama-pathways, iy'ndlela zokuthi zazi ukuthi kuqhutsheka kanjani ke ngaphambili, nanokuthi zikwazi ukuthi kube khona into eziyenza ngaphandle kwasesikoleni. So sijabule kakhulu ukuthi wonke umuntu khona, njengoba nibona kukhona ney'nhlobonhlobo zabantu abahlukene, ukuthi siyakwazi ukuthi umphakathi siwuhlanganise, nabantu esibambisene nawo, Department of Sports, Arts and Culture kakhulu, iwona nje oyi-main sponsor yethu, then khona ne-Green Senanka, and then bese kuba khona Milo Akwele, making sure ukuthi ama-athletes ethu are-hydrated. So sijabule kakhulu, usuku lethu lihamba kahle, sekuzoqala imile manje, and sithemba ukuthi sizoqeda kahle futhi.
My name is Dr. Mpilo Zikobu. I come from Green Sananka, which is a registered NPO that deals with creating awareness, environmental awareness. We are in partnership with KZN Athletics on this event where we are creating awareness, environmental awareness. So there is a space that we are currently utilizing for the people to actually be aware of what is happening in terms of the climate change, in terms of environmental degradation, in terms of many other challenges that we are facing here in KZN and in South Africa as a whole.
Sinikeze ithuba ama-athletes esifundazwe azohamba ayosimela kwikazwelonke ezobe ise-Port Elizabeth lapho esilindele ukuthi bazokwenza kahle kangcono khona ukuthi bathole ithuba lokuya kwawomhlaba. Likhona ithalente kwaZulu Natal kulesi sigaba. Sinalo ithemba lokuthi abagijimi bazokwenza kangcono bazophakamisa amagama abo baphakamise igama lesifundazwe.
Today I won the race. Like I said, the guys are competitive, and thanks to them for pushing the pace so that we can run this first time today. From now on, we're working on going to 10 kilometer Cape Town APSA, and then from there on, yeah, we'll see the others. But then we still have a packed schedule, so we're still gonna select there and there based on the fitness that we have right now.
I'm Johannes Morepe, based in Pretoria. I'm running for Pantana. I was running a mile today. I came first. It was a good race because the aim was just to win the race so that we can qualify for the nationals. Then from here, I think we're just going to focus on the nationals. Firstly, I'd just like to thank Duduzu Kumalo, which is the founder of this club, always giving me opportunities to show what I'm capable of. And also I just want to thank my group, Sipen training group, and also the people that I train with. It's always just like motivating us and pushing us every day.
Ngihappy kakhulu because mubheka nje kuma senior women noma senior males, we've got abantu abambalwa abenza ama qualifying times, which is what you want, because even nama incentives asinayo prize money, sinama incentives ukuthi mugijima isikhathi esithile kuba khona okutholayo uzokwazi ukuthi ugqugquzele. So siyabona and sibuka nezingane futhi ukuthi nazo ku 5 km mubheka nje ungubo inganathi uphuma emzimkhulu oyena odle umjaho kuma junior ukuthi ugijimile waphinde futhi wathola nesikhathi, which is kuyasithokozisa kakhulu ukubona ukuthi nabo abancane bayakwazi ukuthi ikhathi bayishaye bangagijimi nje bethi bayagijima.
Igama lami ngubhekuzizwe Bhengu, ngilana eKings Park kade sogijima u5 km wama-champ. Ngigijime kahle kakhulu, ibi right irace, ibimnandi, iflat, ngenza isikhathi esihle kakhulu 18:30. Siyafisa nabakude abangajonile la elokhuzele egijimeni bayibandakanye nathi kube mnandi, kumnandi ukugijima bafowethu. Siyacela nokude nokumaphi nolaphi azozibandakanye kanye abagijimi. Yabo.